Progress starts with a vision. Innovation starts with imagination. And our story starts with a feeling. The story of living progress continues, furthering our idea of progressive premium mobility. With a fully electric Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept. Welcoming, personalized, a performance-focused, fully electric Avant. The perfect synthesis of form and function. Digital, with innovative light technology. Reshaping the idea of premium mobility. Exhilarating, fascinating, powerful. With impressive range performance. Harnessing the power of digitalization and connecting you to the world. With progress and sustainability at the heart of everything we do. The Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept.